Two of the really cool things San Francisco boasts is their wine country. Today we're gonna check out two of the favorites, Napa and Sonoma. Let's do it. We've landed at our first winery in Sonoma. Really excited because we're drinking wine out of a barn.
45% Pinot, 55% Chardonnay.
It's like an adult Capri Sun. Chocolate sauce.
And it's gotta go under the airplane.
I've never tasted heaven. No? I have. So we're still at our first winery. We had a few nice tastes of everything from Pinot Noir to Rosé, and everything just feels vibrant. I like it. Okay, we're at our second winery. I'm hearing they have a really good Pinot Noir, so I'm gonna try that plus everything else.
All right, so this is the Sonoma Coast Chardonnay.
So I'll be honest, I never gave white wine a chance before, but the Chardonnay is really refreshing, really great for a hot day. We always bring our glass with us. Look how beautiful this place is. Feels like I'm in the hills of Tuscany, except I'm still on the West Coast. So we had a few wines. I'm feeling nice, but now I'm hungry. So we're at the Oxbow Market. We're gonna get some great food. Let's do it. This is unbelievable. This is great. All right, so we just had some amazing lunch, and now we're headed to Napa, have some more wine. Best day ever.
We went to 3 different wineries. We also got to learn a lot of different types of things about the wine. So we learned about all the different grapes and what they meant and different areas.
Sonoma, the Pinot, and Chardonnay.
It was really fun.
My taste buds are in love with me. This was one of the best experiences I've ever had in California. When you're in San Francisco, you have to go to Napa and Sonoma. Cheers.